everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger message notifications not appearing. If Messenger notifications are not appearing, the issue is usually related to notification settings, network connectivity, app permissions, etc. So try these fixes. So first, make sure Messenger is updated. So close Messenger app and go to App Store or Play Store. Then search for Messenger in here, open it, and install the latest version from it. So if you see an update button in here, just tap on that to install the latest version. Next is to check internet connection. So close Play Store or App Store and go to your settings. Once you're on settings, tap on Wi-Fi. So make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. Notifications may be delayed if mobile data is restricted, data saver mode is enabled, and Wi-Fi is unstable. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next is to check Messenger notification settings. So open Messenger again, then click on menu at the bottom right. Then from here, tap on settings, then scroll down and look for notifications and sounds, and make sure do not disturb is disabled. So as you can see on my end, it is enabled. So what you can do is toggle it off. So toggle do not disturb off just like so, and you will now receive notifications and sounds. Next, go back to settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down to notifications, select it, then scroll down and open Messenger. Then make sure allow notifications is turned on or enabled, just like so. If it's turned off, just toggle it on, just like that. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.